Good day guys, and you're welcome back again to our channel. In this video I want to show you the latest RUBI Network KYC updates that you need to know so that you can complete your KYC right away. Now on this RUBI Network update, you can see that it says the RUBI Network KYC is now working smoothly. You can get verified under just 30 minutes. Alright. So if you've been invited to KYC, you will need 2 or 3 RUBI for KYC. So if you be sent the invitation, you are going to need just like 2 or 3 RUBI to complete the KYC. So without the RUBI, you can't proceed to do your KYC. Alright. So now let's get straight to the RUBI app to see how the KYC actually works. So here we are on the RUBI Network app. So before we get to the KYC process, if you're on the channel for the first time, don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like this video, and also turn on our notification to get all the latest updates. Okay. Also, if you are seeing this video and have not joined RUBI, RUBI is a very good airdrop that you need to do. So I'll drop the link in the video description or in the comment section so that you can start mining RUBI as you join. Okay. Right now, you can see the amount of RUBI I have. Alright, so I have more than the required amount for the KYC. So all you need to do is simply click on your profile down there. Okay. So the next thing you need to click is to click on user verification. Okay. Now once you click on user verification, you're able to see all the KYC processes. The eKYC, the Zalo connecting, Facebook connecting, Google connecting, TikTok connecting, as well as Telegram connecting. So you're going to connect all of these 6 tags to complete your KYC. So now click on the first one, which is the not verified, that is the eKYC. Alright. Now say welcome to RUBI eKYC. We are a social chain project linking millions of members and all of that. So just take your time to read through it. Alright. So therefore, KYC is a necessary activity to authenticate your existence and thereby confirm that the assets you create belongs to human. Okay. So this KYC is for you to not be recognized as a robot. So click on continue. Now minus commitment. The KYC version is the 1.5 checklist here. Okay. Now the required process for the KYC is 3, and out of those 3 I've completed 2. The first one is complete ownership information over 30 days. It means you should have been mining the RUBI for over 30 days, at least twice a month. Then exploit at least 30 RUBI. It means you should have minimum of 30 RUBI in or on the app, okay, which they are going to deduct the 3 RUBI as your KYC fee. Then receive invitation from KYC version 1.5. So this is the last one here. So now how this works is that the KYC is not open at once. Alright, so it's going to be just a kind of batch by batch. So some have done theirs, some are still waiting, and some are not even yet close to their KYC. So it could be that they have sent you the invitation and you have not been paying attention, or you don't even know it. So once you check and see that you've been given the invitation, then you can click on continue down here and complete the processes. So where to see your notification is just right up here. Once you are invited, then just click on your notification up here. You're going to see your notification. So you just need to pay attention carefully. Now, the reason I told that RUBI is not a small project is that it is estimated to $2 per RUBI. And is that possible? I hope that is very, very possible, because RUBI is a very serious project backed by a very strong team. Okay. So if you've not joined RUBI yet, then it's better you join now than later. And I hope you do enjoy the video. Let me know if you've been given the invitation or not, and if you are facing any problem regarding it, I'll attend to you in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video.